If your X, formerly Twitter, account has been suspended and you believe it was a mistake, this video will walk you through the recovery process step by step. We'll use the official X appeals form, which is the fastest way to request a review of your account status and explain why the suspension should be reversed. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open a web browser on your computer or phone and go to the X login page. Sign in with the suspended account you want to recover. Even if your account is restricted, you may still be able to access the login flow and begin the appeal process. Once you are on the login page, open a new browser tab. This keeps the login page available while you navigate to the appeals form, which is helpful if you need to copy any account details or reference information. In the new tab, go to the official X appeals form. This is the page where you can submit a request for X to review the suspension. After the page loads, your account details, such as your username and email address, should automatically populate if you are signed in correctly. Take a moment to check that the information is accurate. If it does not autofill, go back and make sure you are logged into the correct account before continuing. Now move to the description box. This is the most important part of your appeal because this is where you clearly explain why you believe the suspension is an error. Keep your message polite, direct, and honest. You can say that you believe the account was suspended by mistake, that you would like a second review, and that you are requesting reinstatement if the account was flagged incorrectly. If you know what action may have triggered the suspension, briefly explain the situation without over-explaining. The goal is to sound clear and respectful, not defensive. If there was no violation, say that you believe your account was suspended in error and ask for a manual review. Once your message is written, review it one more time for spelling and clarity. Make sure your username and email are correct and confirm that you are submitting the appeal for the right account. Then click Submit. After submitting, X will usually send you a confirmation or follow-up through the email associated with your account. Be sure to check your inbox and also look in your spam or promotions folder in case the reply gets filtered there. Depending on the situation, the review can take some time, so be patient while X processes your request. In some cases, they may ask for additional verification or provide an update on whether the suspension will be lifted. And that's it! You've now completed the steps to recover a suspended X account by filing an appeal through the official form. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your appeal.